Page 41, the Emperor Waltz. They're introducing you to a type of music. We have a lot of different kinds of music. We just kind of cover them a little at a time. A waltz is one of them. Waltzes are generally in 3/4 time. They have a feel of 3 to them. 1, 2. Some waltzes, believe it or not, are actually written in 6/8 time, but we haven't had 6/8 time, so pretend I didn't say that. The point is, most of the time, a waltz is going to be in 3/4 time, although a piece in 3/4 time is not necessarily a waltz. Yeah, just stay confused. It works. Yeah, music can get confusing a lot. Now, understand a waltz has a lot of, it's just something in 3/4 time, but not all waltzes were meant to be danced to, although a lot of them were. Back in the 1800s, waltzes were big, but not all of them. Chopin waltzes are not necessarily meant to be danced to. And a lot of times you'll find, like on page 40, they'll put retardando, they slow down and so forth. Those are not necessarily meant to be danced to, because if people are moving to the music, you can't be slowing down and speeding up. It messes them up, and they throw things at you. So you got to keep a steady beat. So it's like this Viennese waltz over here on page 40 is not necessarily meant to be danced to. It's just a nice waltz to listen to. Here, something, I guess. Short little waltz that the composer or the author of the book was done. Okay, this guy has written a lot of the music in this book, so okay. I'm sure people play a lot better than I do. If you have the CD and can listen to that professional play it, that they're going to play it. Doesn't matter. You play it and you feel it and you interpret it as you see fit. Now, you're not expected to play the stuff on page 40 yet, but someday you'll be able to, and then you can come back to this book and play that piece. Let's look it over. It's about a page long. Treble bass clef, 3/4 time signature. I see a bunch of quarter notes, dotted half notes. Half notes, okay. The right hand goes here, that puts it here. The left hand is 4th finger here, that puts it here. So we're here. Please don't use that chart. Up at the top, look at the music, look at the finger numbers in the music, and figure out where your hands go, because that will carry you on from now on forever and ever and ever. That chart, those things are going to go away. So don't rely on charts. So we're here, and it's 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And again, if you don't know the names of these notes instantly, this is a good kind of thing to do the play and say it drill. Forget the rhythm. You just play the note, because you need to hear it, and say the name of it. Instantly, you should know these. An E, a G, an F, an E, a G, an E, D, F, A, G, G, F, G. Instantly, you should know the names of these notes. You don't have to go as fast as I'm going. I've been doing this for a million years, but you've got to learn these note names in the music. Now, once I have the notes in, then I go back over and I get rid of the hesitations. Then I add the articulation. And these are phrases. Lift up, lift up, lift up. Just a little lift up, like taking a breath. Then the dynamics. MP is that. Well, it's MP until you get to the last line. Then a couple measures you can get louder and then softer again. Get into it and feel it. You don't have to play the first 3 lines at exactly mezzo piano or medium soft. You can get louder and softer as you feel it, but you need to learn it first to get past all the mechanics so you can start thinking about and feeling the music. And then if you feel getting louder and softer, go for it. Stay in the area where it tells you to, but then the speed, well, think of people dancing, because waltzes, some of these, they'll just say, well, waltz tempo. Well, that's no help, because there's slow waltzes and there's medium waltzes and there's fast waltzes. So what do you want? Here, this says waltz tempo smoothly. Well, thanks a lot. Smoothly means you connect it. We already know that. The slur lines tell us that, the phrases. But the waltz tempo doesn't, again, but the metronome marking, and this is a famous waltz. You can look up, Google Emperor Waltz, and you can find all kinds of recordings of this. But you have to be careful when listening to recordings, because different orchestras, and this is an orchestra piece, will play it at different speeds. So you need to listen to a few, listen to 5 or 6 different orchestras play it, because that way you get a better idea of how it might go. Otherwise, you listen to 1 or 2 and they play it at some ungodly speed or whatever, and you think, oh, is that how it goes? No, that's just how they went. So listen to several. Something like that. You don't have to go that fast. It's up to you. Watch the rhythm there in the last line. Careful. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So they switched them around between the quarter note and the half note. Watch that. Remove the natural accents. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1. 1, 2, 3. Feel these all the way through. Now, once you can play this okay slowly with no hesitations, let's check the notes and the rhythms. Let's play it together very slowly. Not doing any dynamics, just notes and rhythms. I'll give us 3 counts. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 2, 3. 1, 2. Rest, rest. There's a duet at the bottom of the page. I'd like to play that part. I'm going to alter this or change this duet part just a little bit because I need to keep a beat. I need to play something on pretty much every beat because we got to stay together and I can't hear you, so I can't follow you. So I'll give us 3 counts. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, maybe not full speed, but up a bit. And let's play it together. 1, ready, go.